It's a lovely day in Nigeria. This is Bystander at Newsstand on Flip TV. I am Akimbodu Abiodun, and in this edition, we will be reviewing from the newspaper Daily Sun, and the headline reads, Ambode Tinubu sticks to his guns. We want to hear what people have to say, Lagosians especially. Come along.
Audio Jungle.
We're still on Bystander at Newsstand. With me here is Mr. Ajibade Adetayo, who would review Buhari summons Tinubu over rift with Ambode. What's your view, sir?
Well, there's no rift. Tinubu is a father to Ambode and is a family matter. The truth is that the people of intelligence, like people like Asiwaju, are people who lay a good foundation for Lagos State and a true Democrat. So I believe because he believes in true democracy, he wants a true democratic system in the party and for the state. And I think this is the best decision for the state.
To remove Ambode or to not support?
It's not about removing the Ambode. He wants the popularity of Ambode to be tested in the wards and from the delegates. And that's a smart move to make himself relevant in the Nigerian politics.
So bringing another person to replace Ambode, it's a smart move, sir?
It's a smart move to make something competitive. If you don't make it competitive, they will become irrelevant. So the best thing is to bring suitable candidates and qualified candidates to be tested in the primaries. Simple. It's a very smart and intelligent move.
But politics has always been something about the people, which means that what the people want is what should go. Now that people want Ambode and then we're bringing another person that nobody knows about and he has not been tested and trusted, how do you feel about this, sir?
Don't make that mistake. People want Tinubu, and whoever Tinubu suggests, people have confidence in him. So because of that, he believes that there should be true democracy in the party, whereby everybody's opinion in the party counts. So when Ambode was going to come into office, he was picked by Tinubu because he believed in him to come and perform a certain duty. So at this point in time, whereby he believes that there's a need for competitiveness in the party, I don't think Tinubu is against Ambode. That's why I said there's no rift. It's just to create a viable democratic system within the party. Simple.
Do you think that there's any deflection from Ambode anytime soon?
Ambode will always be loyal to his boss, and I don't think he will make any tactical error towards that. Everything will be sorted out within a short period of time. The most important thing and the concept we need to understand is that let everybody test their popularity within the world, because if the party does not take that type of stance, they may even lose to the other party. So in order not to lose, you need to make yourself competitive within your party, respecting the views and opinions of everybody that counts in your party.
If the new person comes and emerges as the winner of the premise for APC gubernatorial election or candidate, do you think that PDP has an edge to winning the governor?
As far as Nigeria, Lagos State is concerned, APC still has a stronghold and popularity in Lagos State. So no matter what, in Lagos State, APC will still win. It's fundamental.
No matter what candidate they bring in?
No matter what candidate, APC wins in Lagos State. Simple. It's fundamental.
Bystander at Newsstand, with me here is Mr. Ebenezer, who would review Buhari summons Tinubu over rift with Ambode. What's your view, sir?
Well, as a leader of the party, if he hears anything going wrong between the stakeholder in any state, he has the responsibility to come in and wait in and see that things are normal. Speak louder, sir. I am saying, if as the political leader of APC, Buhari cannot keep quiet over any rift between Tinubu and Ambode, because definitely know it will affect him.
Yes, so there's actually a rift between Ambode and Tinubu.
We cannot
tell now
for now, because Ambode kept denying there is no rift. I read in the paper that where he said there was no rift between him and Tinubu.
Is that just a political propaganda? Or do you think this is true? Because for him to bring up another person to replace the man that we all know, don't you think this is like distrust to his personality?
No, this is primary coming up, and for now there's no consensus candidate. So having more aspirants contesting the primary is normal. So I don't believe it's Tinubu that is bringing them up. Every one of us, everybody has the right to contest. Are you getting my point now? So the fact that other candidates are coming up, that's normal. That is ideal in politics.
So, do you think that there's going to be a deflection anytime soon for Ambode? Because this is like distrust to his personality.
Well, you are seeing it as distrust. Was he promised automatic tickets before now? I've not read anywhere in the daily where he was promised automatic tickets. Primary is coming up. If there is no contest, if there's nobody to challenge him, I don't think himself will sit right. Normally there should be challengers. So he will be challenged at the primary to test if he has done well. If he has done well, definitely I believe that people should be able to pick him, vote for him in the primary. Are you getting my point now? And if he has not done well, it will be seen. So he should do this automatic ticket. I don't believe in it. They should allow people to determine.
Okay, if finally someone else emerges as the candidate for APC, do you see PDP winning the election of Lagos?
The possibility is very slim. This is structure that have been built over 20 years now. Right from the day of AD. Are you getting my point? The APC we have today started right from the time of AD to AC or whatever. This is 20 years built structure. To defeat it, to pull it down is not going to be easy. That's the truth. And moreover, to an extent, the government have been performing.
So what is the expectation for Lagos election 2019?
I still believe with what we are seeing. Moreover, for now, PDP is here to put the house in order. In Lagos, for example, I've not even heard if anybody who is coming up to contest governorship election in Lagos State from any other party. I've not, well, maybe because for some time I've not been reading the dailies. I don't know any credible person now contesting governorship election from any other party. I mean, credible person, popular, with enough structure. So
we can conclude that Lagos State is operating a one-party system
to a large extent.
We're still on Bystander at Newsstand, and with me here is Miss Bella, who will review Ambode Tinubu sticks to his gun. What is your view, ma?
My whole view is that to me, Ambode they should allow him to go for a second tenure, because we are not so sure about Sanuwa Olu, because we don't know what he can do. See, we have been seeing the performance of Ambode, and we have been seeing that he's doing well, you understand? So we should please give him a second chance. I believe he will do better than what we have viewed or what we have seen.
You've heard what the people have to say. This is Bystander at Newsstand on Flip TV. I am Akimbodu Abiodun. Until next time, bye-bye.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.